Good day, lads and lassies. Today, 2015 Yamaha RS Venture drive chain oil replacement. We're going to want to get access to the drive chain case, pull off the front two tabs, just like that. Now we need access to the right side. That pin right there goes into that rubber gasket. Take off this bottom made in Japan bottom cover. 3 10mm bolts, one there, one there, one there, and then 2 Phillips head bolts right there, and one right there. There's a washer that comes off with this guy. There's all 5 bolts, should just pop off. There's a little nub right there that you'll have to pull through. I'm just going to check the oil level of the guy right here. We're right about there at the level. The drain bolt for the chain case is tucked way up underneath here in the tunnel. You can see it right there. I put a towel back here to catch any oil that might spray towards the track. Oil will kind of spill out towards the front here as well. Really interesting design by Yamaha. The service manual says to put this back on, the bolts, drive chain bolts back on with 16 Newton meters. So, click. The service manual also says that 250 milliliters is the proper amount to put back in there. This container is 250 milliliters. We'll put the whole thing in there. And part number on this Yamaha lube is... Here's how much we took out. That's where we got her back up to. You gotta be real tender when you're filling through this hole. I made the mistake of flushing a bunch out the top because I poured it in too fast. So be slow and steady with this guy. I also took the opportunity to tighten the drive chain tension. That's done with this bolt right here and the lock nut right here. So you tighten it finger tight according to the service manual. You tighten this bolt finger tight against the drive chain because that's what it pushes against on the inside of this housing. You push that finger tight and then you back it off a quarter turn, and then you tighten the lock nut down to 25 Newton meters. The bolt is 12 millimeter head and the nut is 14 millimeters.